Welcome to DebtCircle Key Roundups. I am Vijendra.
And I am Leela.
IEFL Finance's Q1 profit soared 189.3% to Rs 675.1 crores, driven by a 54.8% jump in net interest income.
Their assets under management grew 38% year-on-year to 1,15,523 crores rupees, led by a gold loan portfolio doubling to 58,406 crores rupees, with capital adequacy at 24.3%.
The International Finance Corporation aims to mobilize between 2.5 billion and 3 billion US dollars by December 2026 for India's MSMEs, with its India portfolio around 12 billion US dollars, aligning with the World Bank Group's plan to channel over 20 billion US dollars to India by 2030.
Utkarsh Small Finance Bank plans to redeem 195 crores of lower Tier 2 bonds on August 13, 2026, with total payout around 198 crores and 21 lakhs ahead of the original June 2027 maturity.
UCO Bank's net profit rose 8.05% to Rs 656 crores in Q1 fiscal year 2027, with the RAM portfolio up 25.27% and gross NPAs down to 2.08%.
Aditya Birla Capital plans to double its assets under management to 3,20,000 crores rupees in 3 years, raising 4,000 crores rupees through equity and 2,750 crores rupees from Advent International for housing finance.
Purple Finance is acquiring Saksham Gram Credit, whose network spans 147 branches and over 31,000 microfinance centers, with combined assets under management set to hit approximately Rs 850 crores.
IndusInd Bank's net profit surged 72% year-on-year to 1,037 crores rupees in Q1, with gross NPAs down to 3.25% and capital adequacy rising to 17.15% under Basel III.
Nippon Life India Asset Management's net profit rose 27.2% to Rs 504 crores, with assets under management up 16% to Rs 8.62 lakh crores, though shares fell 2.36% to Rs 1,140.
Gabriel India is investing 3,166 crores rupees in Project Jupiter, acquiring stakes in HL Mando Anand and HL Clemuve, though this will push its debt-to-equity ratio close to 1:1.
The Indian rupee opened at 96.49 against the US dollar, a slight gain from 96.56, despite Brent crude rising above $96 per barrel amid Persian Gulf and Red Sea tensions.
NTPC Green Energy posted a net profit of 304.8 crores rupees in the June quarter, up 38.3%, with revenue surging 62.7% to 1,106.9 crores rupees.
Smaller private banks are partnering with international banking units in Gift City to boost FCNRB deposits, offering 7 to 7.5% interest, with fresh deposits estimated to reach 30 billion to 50 billion US dollars by September 2026.
Foreign banks led the RBI's easing cycle from February 2025 to May 2026, cutting fresh rupee loan rates by 1.24 percentage points, ahead of private banks at 1.08 and public banks at 0.66.
India's economy maintained robust growth through June 2027, despite global uncertainties, with the India-UK Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement expected to boost trade further.
Foreign inflows into Indian government securities reached Rs 53,289 crores since early June, before slowing as the yield spread narrowed from 4 to 4.5% down to 2 to 2.5%.
India's banking sector has identified 25 original equipment manufacturers to tackle AI-driven cyber threats, with the State Bank of India-led working group creating a framework to address supply chain risks.
EbixCash World Money Limited is now the first non-bank in India approved by the RBI for trade remittances under its Perpetual Authorized Dealer Category 2 license, marking Ebix Limited's evolution into a diversified technology-led company.
Hindalco is investing Rs 50,000 crores over 3 years to boost aluminium and copper capacity, aiming for a million-ton integrated copper operation as the second-largest global player outside China.
HSBC mobilized over 5 billion US dollars in foreign currency non-resident deposits using the RBI special swap facility, with total system-wide mobilization reaching about 20.72 billion US dollars by mid-July.
Saraswat Cooperative Bank aims to double its total business to Rs 2 lakh crores by 2032, expanding into Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, with net NPAs at 0 for 4 consecutive years.
UCO Bank is expanding rupee trade settlements with Russia via special rupee Vostro accounts, with total business up 15.5% to rupees 6.05 trillion in Q1 fiscal year 2027.
Punjab and Sindh Bank is set to surpass its recovery target of rupees 1,000 crores this fiscal year, with rupees 366 crores recovered in the first quarter and net profit up 23% to rupees 331 crores.
HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are reviving dollar bond issuances before the RBI's concessional swap window closes in December 2026, with ICICI aiming to raise up to $2.5 billion offshore.
India's corporate loan growth surged 18.3% year-on-year in May, the strongest since 2012, while NBFCs led retail loan growth at 19.5%.
The Indian rupee opened 6 paise lower at 96.63 against the US dollar as Brent crude surpassed $100 per barrel, with the US 10-year Treasury yield near 4.70% adding pressure.
Ultratech Cement approved issuing up to rupees 5,000 crore in non-convertible debentures to fund expansion to 212.7 million tons. After Q1, net profit rose 16.77% to rupees 2,599 crore.